Hi, this is Mrs. Cusick, and today I'm going to show you how to create a bar chart using Excel 365. Let's begin by clicking on cell A4. Float your cursor in the middle of the cell, hold your mouse button down, drag across, and select through H5. Next, go to your ribbon and click on the Insert tab. Let's go over to the Charts group, pull down Bar, and click Clustered. This will put in a nice looking chart, and now let's enhance it. Let me shrink this a little bit so that you can see it a little bit better. I'm pressing Command minus so that my screen is a little bit smaller. It might be a little bit easier to see for you. All of the great features are going to be in the contextual tab called Chart Tools. I'm going to the Labels group. I'm going to work from left to right. So let's begin by clicking on Chart Title. Let's put a chart title above, and I'm going to label this Favorite Team, whatever the number is, Drinks, and click on OK. If I made a mistake, I can always go back to Chart Title and edit the chart title. I just wanted to point that out to you. Let's go to Axis Titles. We'll start with horizontal. We'll put that below. And we're going to type the word responses. Let's put a horizontal one on. So we just go back to the axis titles. And I like the rotated one. It just seems normal. It's the way that we normally see that axis title. And big idea is drinks. Next, we're going to put the legend at the right. Show legend at right. Next, data labels. Data labels are nice. I like them on the inside end, and it just helps the data to be read a little bit easier. Do you see this word responses? We're going to get rid of that one. Let's go to the axes group. Pull down axes, and that is a vertical, and we are going to show the axis without labeling. And there you go. That's how you create a really good looking chart that is very easy to read.